Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Honda Pilot's oil life indicator. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your vehicle is securely in park with the parking brake engaged for safety. Next, find the information display control buttons, usually located near your instrument cluster. These buttons are crucial for navigating the vehicle's menu system and performing the reset. Now, let's navigate to the oil life display. Press the SEL/reset button, often found on your dashboard or steering wheel, repeatedly. You'll cycle through various display modes. Keep pressing until you see the engine oil life or maintenance due message. This display will show you the current percentage of your oil's remaining life, typically a number like 15% or 10%. To perform the actual reset, press and hold the SEL/reset button for approximately 10 seconds. You'll notice the oil life display start to blink, which signals that it's entering the reset mode. Once it begins blinking, release the button. Then, immediately press and hold the same button again for about 5 more seconds until the display changes. This two-step hold confirms your intention to reset. After successfully completing the reset, the oil life display should now show 100%, indicating a full oil life. To finalize and confirm the reset, turn your ignition completely off. Then, start your engine as you normally would. This final step ensures that your maintenance reminder has been completely cleared and will accurately track your next oil change interval. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.